Hello everyone, and welcome to our week 2 of the CSC 2 class, Programming for Everyone, Part 1. So we are starting week 2, and I wanted to go over just some of the module material. Now before I get started, actually, I just posted an announcement for office hours. So based on the replies of the survey, we will be having a 1-hour office hour every Monday at 10 a.m. in the morning. And again, these office hours are not mandatory, they're optional. If you have any questions, if you want to discuss something, you can certainly show up. It's basically going to be a Zoom class or a Zoom meeting link, and you can access the Zoom links from here in your class. And you can see that they're scheduled throughout the entire term every Monday at 10 a.m. Now, today is Labor Day, so there is no class, so there is no Zoom meeting. But again, if you have any questions, you could always email me or send me something in the Canvas inbox. Now again, these are optional office hours, so again, you just need to show up if you want to ask something. I will have the Zoom meeting opened. I'm just going to be waiting for someone to pop in. You can ask a question and leave, or again, if the office hours, the day and the time doesn't suit you, you can always email me either through the inbox or just send me a message to ndejani@rise.education. Alright, so week 2 basically is broken up into the typical 3 sections where we have the overview, the assignments, and then resources. And the focus is we're going to be doing code art with Turtle Library. Now, I first want you to watch these 3 videos here. These 2 are very short, just 4 minutes and 3 minutes. But the bulk of it is this long video, it's 41 minutes, and it's going to be talking about how to use the Turtle library to write code in Python so that you can create interesting art stuff. And that's part of the assignment for here, which is the Turtle art submission form. So under the assignment section, we have the Turtle art submission form, and then we also have the introduction discussion. Now, this we started last week, and it's worth 20 points. Now it's going to be due this Sunday. So the first 10 points are basically the initial discussion to talk about yourself, and then the second 10 points are going to be at least one response to another classmate of yours. Okay, so we have the discussion forum, we have the Turtle art assignment, which again you will be able to understand how to do it by following this video here. Now the video I think is very well done. It's done by our own Greg Edwards, and again, it uses a top-bottom approach where we don't give you fundamentals and then build up on it, but we give you a project to work on, and through that project you get to learn key concepts. And Greg does a very good job in walking you through the assignment and how to start coding and how to use the Turtle library and how to write statements to make the library do what you want it to do. So again, just please watch this video, and you might not be able to follow along every second of the way, so you can always pause and then try things out on your own and then come back to it, or you could always rewind or fast forward, as you see fit. So again, just watch the video, learn as much as you can. Now the Turtle library is a very, very, very fun library to use because you can see things happening right in front of your eyes by just a few lines of code. And again, the key point here is to have fun with this assignment. Try to be as creative as possible. Come up with a design or an idea that you want to see come to life, and use the Turtle library as well as Python code to basically make that happen. The other assignment I also want you to look at is the week 2 attendance check. Now, I was asked about this week, or actually last week, where people are asking, is this necessary or not? Well, this is a school requirement, not a RISE requirement, but your own local school requirement, just to make sure that you are in school and you're attending and you are in this class. It takes just a few seconds to complete, and it's a weekly thing, so please make sure that you complete it every single week. One of the resources down here is the Python for Everybody. Now if you click on it, it's going to take us to a new page, and then from there, this took us to the py4e.com website. Now this website was prepared by a very good instructor. His name is Dr. Charles Severance, or he goes by Dr. Chuck for short, and he created this website as a resource for someone that wants to learn Python as well. So we always in this class try to give you different resources, websites, videos, assignments, links, things like that, and of course me as well, so you can learn and be exposed to as much of Python resources as possible. So please take advantage of this website as well. Each module is broken down into different videos, different links, and so on. So please explore it and please take advantage of it. It's really helpful. And down here we also have the cheat sheet. Now the cheat sheet, there's a video about it, and basically it just shows you the fundamentals of using the Python language, like variables, if statements, conditionals, and stuff like that. So again, keep this handy, this cheat sheet here, and use it whenever you want to remind yourself of how to do something. And last but not least, we also have the Q&A forum. Now the Q&A forum is a public forum where you can ask questions and either me or your classmates can answer back to you. So if anything comes to mind and you're confused about something, either an assignment or a survey or something that has to do with a class, please post it in the Q&A forum. Now the Q&A forum is a public discussion forum, so anything that you post here will be viewed by the entire class. Okay, now if you have a question that pertains only to you, then you can certainly send me an email, either through the inbox or directly to ndejani@rise.education. Okay, so this pretty much sums up the Unit 2 or the Module 2 for this week. Again, everything is due this Sunday. You can see the due dates here, September 8th, which is this coming Sunday. If anything pops up, please email me, reach out to me at any time, and I'll be more than happy to work with you. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in class. Take care and bye for now.